everyone, and welcome to Monday's Challenge Assembly. I hope you had a really good weekend, and I wonder how many of you did things that got your heart beating. Well, this week for our year of being healthy, we're focusing on exercise. Now, there are lots of ways to exercise, and it's not all about having to do star jumps. Let's have a look at all of the different kinds of exercise you can do. Do you do some of those things? Did you even realize that they might be exercise? Right now, talk to your neighbor and tell them what is the favorite things you like to do that gets your heart beating, that is a good way to exercise. Wow! A lot of you like to do a lot of different things, and exercise includes lots of different things. Now, exercise gets our heart beating. It exercises our heart muscle, makes it stronger, helps to push the blood through our body and get the oxygen and the vitamins through our cells in our body and makes us feel better. Also, exercise helps our mind a bit as well, because it gives us an adrenaline rush that makes us feel good. Now, exercise doesn't always have to be about star jumps. It can be about lots and lots of different activities and sports. So, your challenge this week is every break, every lunchtime, make sure that you get a little bit of extra exercise in. It might be playing a game, it might be running, it might be doing star jumps, it might be playing a game that includes lots and lots of activity. Maybe it's even skipping rope. Whatever it is, get in a little bit of more exercise this week, before school, after school, and in our breaks. And make sure you tell your teacher all about it. Okay, that's our challenge this week. Are we ready? I think so. Everyone, have a great, healthy week. Bye.